All lithium model Travatos come with an induction cooktop. This requires 110 power and you'll need to turn the inverter on. Right now I have a red light next to my power button, means that my cooktop is ready, but it's not yet on. First I need to make sure that I have an induction ready cookware. So my pot or pan needs to have a symbol that indicates induction ready. Once I put the cookware on top of the stove, I then hit the power button and I notice that some things illuminate on here. I have an option between heat or temperature. If I choose heat by pushing the button one time, it defaults to a setting of 5. I can use the plus or minus buttons to range from 0 to 10, making it hotter or cooler. As well, I could select temperature and then I can change the temperature setting just as easy by using the plus or minus buttons. Once you're finished cooking, simply hit the power button to turn it off. Right now I hear the internal fan, which is going to cool down the cooktop. When I no longer hear that, then I can turn my inverter off to save my batteries.